Hey folks, Lou Shirt with you. This is going to be a quick video. This is the introduction to a pick of a Yale 500 Plus. It is a green belt level lock. That's what the front looks like. Nothing remarkable about the bobble. What is remarkable is they skeletonized it. So if you get one of these, be sure and shim it. They also flatten off the top. I don't know why. That's what the keyway looks like. And of course the key on this one. Unlike, let me also say that the key pins are all standards. And the standards and spools they're a little beveled on top, but not beveled on the sides. Oh shoot, I'm not showing you. They're a little beveled on the top, but not on the sides that I can really tell. Unlike the Yale 500, which has overmilling. Totally different beast. This one has a very quick pick. Looks like they used the same standard drivers though, with that beveling around the edge. I swear there's only, if I see that correctly, there's only beveling on one side. So I'll make sure to put the spring on this side. Pretty quick pick, and anyway, that's it for the Yale 500 Plus green belt lock. Thanks. If you have any questions or want to talk about it, please leave me a comment. See ya. Bye. Hey folks, so I've got a Yale 500 Plus. It's a green belt lock. So here's what the key looks like. Got several Yales right now. I'm going to do videos on them to show the differences. Alright, so I'm going to start with a Ball Lock Tools really flat pick and go off the shelf right here. I'm going to raise everything up a little bit. Can you do this on all Yale 500 Pluses? I don't know. Okay, so got into a false set. Then I'm going to take a really pointed Moki number 4. I'm going to go up through the milling, and I'm going to test each pin. See if I can get it open. So 2 doesn't feel like it's up enough. Got to click out of it. 3, okay, 4, okay, 5, came up, 6, sorry, there's only 5 pins, 5, I'm off. Well, you already do that. Go back to beginning. 1 is okay, 2 feels okay, 3, 4. Okay, there's the open. Is that simple? Pretty straightforward. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Oops. Get this out of the way and try to get you over top of what's going on. Lock it back up. Well, that was about the easiest one I've done in the last week. I don't know that I have to shim this, but oh, yeah, I do. I think this is the skeletonized core. Damn, I better shim it. We'll find out. Yeah, good thing I did it. I've been a world hurt. Get caught up in those things, you never get out of it. So there's no milling in there. I think I'll do an introduction and explain more detail. For now, I'll just get them out of here. So far, yeah, all of them are standard pins. Okay, spool in 1, standard in 2, spool in 3, standard in 4, and spool in 5. Down a little closer. So that's the Yale 500 Plus. Thanks for watching. See ya.